is the first conference that WaterTap has hosted since we were established last year by the Government of Ontario to promote the Ontario water sector and create connections and opportunities to help accelerate adoption of new technology in our province. We're excited to have this opportunity to follow other recent Ontario water industry events such as Aqua's Technology Showcase and OCE's Smart Drinking Water Distribution Systems Workshop. And what we hope to do is to build on the momentum generated by those events and focus our attention today on exploring one of the most crucial challenges facing our industry, moving from invention to action, and streamlining the process of transforming innovative technologies into commercial products and accelerating the industry adoption of those new products and solutions. But what we're going to be presenting today are some practical examples of innovation in action. You're going to hear real stories of municipalities, utilities, companies, academics, and other stakeholders working together to make investments that will solve problems. So our goal is to stimulate a conversation around what is working, who is doing what, and how we can learn from each other. As an entrepreneur, it's been my observation that the water wastewater sector tends to be slow to adopt new technologies. In fact, the perceived rate of adoption often depends on which side of the fence you sit on, whether you're a utility using technology or a technology provider. And I think it's important for us to remember that water utilities are stewards of the public safety, and it makes sense that we don't want to take undue risks. What has impressed me as we've pulled the sessions together is a level of innovative thinking going on at Ontario Utilities. So forums like today are designed to create conversations about best practices and to share blueprints about what works and how it can be applied. So the good news is water utilities don't really compete with each other and are happy to collaborate and share experience whenever they can. The Ontario government is committed to Ontario becoming a North American water technology leader by 2015. And I would argue that we already hold a leadership position. In fact, we stack up very well against any jurisdiction anywhere around the world. Like runners in a marathon race, all of the world's water hubs are in it for the long haul. Ontario is currently running with the front runners, but this marathon is just beginning. And there's a lot of ground to cover. Now, we share a common goal with these other water hubs, solving the world's water problems. And we recognize cooperation and collaboration are key to achieving this goal. However, we also recognize that strong competition breeds innovation. WaterTap was created as part of the Water Opportunities Act, and yet another example of innovative thinking by the province. We exist in order to help water technology companies become successful global competitors. What differentiates us from other provincial initiatives is the fact that we're solely focused on water technology and that we aim mainly to help companies that have already achieved the commercial stage achieve breakthrough growth. We are the province's water champion, here to foster better communication amongst stakeholders and to celebrate and share success stories.